Hi, my lovely viewers. This is Hello IT World Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to start up AnyDesk software in Windows 11. So for this case, you have to go to the search, then click on settings options. Here it is the apps button. Here the startup apps that start automatically when you sign in. Startup meanings in Windows 11 the apps that start automatically when automatically work, then it is called the startup. When you sign in, that means when you log in your laptop in the time, any kinds of software that you want, that will start automatically. So click here. So now here AnyDesk software GmbH no impact. So here by default it has off. So if you wanna click on, then when we log in or start in Windows 11, so it will automatically on. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.